Our goal is to collect, preserve, and make accessible the plywood murals that were created during the uprising, but also to be a place of healing, reflection, of solace, of processing, a space of community where people can creatively express themselves. We want to get to these young people early before life has done too much to them and let them know that like we're here as a safe space. I think I'm satisfied when people leave with a smile on their face. The point of the Pain to Express workshop when it first started was to be a place where people could leave their emotions. And so when people leave the event, I hope that they have left whatever heavy emotions they've been holding on the plywood. And then they leave feeling lighter. They leave feeling, refreshed. They leave feeling like they've just had therapy or a massage or a good night's rest, I want people to feel less heavy when they leave.